I just wanted to say before. I know that the two of us running for the same position could have caused some. I didn't mean to make a big deal of it. I mean, I would have called her. Oh, I got your text yesterday. Oh, I'm not on text. No text.
In the mall.
No internet. So how did you post that apology video? So that I could have limited access to the computer lab. Yeah, it was certainly calculating, but I wouldn't call it trick.